Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by inserting your recovery USB and powering the PC from AC. Once done, reboot and press the boot key to open the boot menu. Select the USB recovery device and choose Troubleshoot, then Reset or Advanced Options, depending on whether you want a clean install or system reset. Make sure to unlock BitLocker if prompted using your recovery key. You do this now to avoid interruptions later, and to guarantee the installer can access the drive and restore system files. Once the recovery environment loads, pick the recovery method that matches your goal and follow the on-screen prompts carefully. If you choose Recover from a drive, you will be asked whether to clean the drive. Choose the clean option for resale or full wipe, or quick for reuse. Make sure to select the correct disk and partition to avoid data loss, and when necessary enter UEFI to switch boot mode between Legacy and UEFI. You want to let the process finish without powering off mid-operation. After Windows installs, complete the out-of-box experience by creating your user, setting region and network, and signing into sync settings. Once you reach the desktop, run Windows Update and install chipset, graphics, and network drivers. Then verify Device Manager shows no errors. If something goes wrong, say the install stops or system won't boot, retry using another USB port, recreate the recovery drive on a known good PC, and run chkdsk or startup repair from the recovery menu to detect disk issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.